Hey guys, Jeremy Cheaney here, and today I'm showing you guys a 2020 2500 Ram Crew Cab. This is a awesome truck. This truck has 410 horsepower, 429 pound-feet of torque, 410 rear axle ratio. This thing can tow up to 16,943 pounds. This is a big boy without having to go diesel. It's got the night edition on it, so you got your black wheels. It's got the nice running boards on it. Crew cab for the whole crew. Trailer tow mirrors, blind spot monitoring, off-road package, heavy-duty shocks on it, LED lights. Just tell me where to sign. All right, so I love this truck. I love the gray. This is the granite metallic color. Got a nice spray and bed liner on it as we make our way around. We'll get over there in a second. You guys will notice that I do have a bed step on this truck. This truck's pretty tall. I'm pretty short. Somebody was kind enough to send me a bed step to check out, and basically I like the bed step a lot. It just folds up and down, so this piece folds up like this. You can drive with it down either way. Basically you just step in the middle here, get in, grab your gear, and get on with your day. But anyway, backup camera on this. This is the Bighorn edition, so we're gonna have cloth seats on the inside, and I mean, this is, if I was getting a truck, I'd absolutely love to have something like this. Body color bumpers, blacked out lenses on the rear lamps here, and just getting around to the front here, just so you guys can see. I mean, look at this truck. You know, I love the red around the 6.4. I love the red around the Hemi badge up on the front there, so you can see that too. There's just really, it's really hard to put this in words how magnificent of a vehicle this is. So we're gonna jump on the inside and check it out. Running boards make it a little bit easier. These boards are like a black finish on them too, which I like. This is a night, so everything pretty much should be, you know, blacked out. Also, I'll show you guys real quick here. The trim panel on the Bighorn 2500 is just like the 1500. And then now this has the trailer tow mirrors, the bigger mirrors, but now they have the power folding function, which is nice to have. Check out our seats. Our seats are really nice looking. Power driver seat, manual passenger seat. We've got our automatic lights, power adjustable pedals, so you can get as comfortable as you want. And then this is just a tilt steering wheel. It doesn't telescope on the 2500. Let's jump in and check out and see what else we got going on. So it's a push button starter. We have our gear selector here, cruise here, driver's information center. So we cycle through this back screen right here. We go up and down through the menus, tells us the PSI on the tires, tells us coolant temp. And on the 2500, it's gonna tell us a little bit more than what the 1500 does, but not too much. Fuel economy, trip odometer, trailer tow information. You can adjust your settings back to speed. And then we have the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio on this with GPS, so which is nice to have. GPS is, you know, obviously a nice thing for people to have so they don't get lost, or if they don't want to be on their phone, right? So this does have Apple CarPlay, so you can still plug in right down through here, and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto will go here. Sometimes people don't want to mess with it, so nav is still available right from the manufacturer. AM, FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, climate control system. You've got driver side, passenger side. So these are on sync right now. That's why they're moving together. We can select whatever zones we want and go from there. Then we have our heated seats, heated steering wheel right here. We have our temperature controls here, down here as well. Zone selector here. Then we have our trailer brake controller here. And then park assist features, you know, for turning on your front and rear sensors, tow haul, electronic stability control. And then a nice heavy duty center console here. So this is pretty cool. Lots of space, couple cup holders. It moves back and forward. Spot to put your phone, spot to charge your phone with your regular household charger, which is cool. And then this opens up, obviously, and you get a little bit more space back there. This usually just fills up with junk. But then as we look across this, the dash is very high end. I love the way it looks. Bighorn, you know, is a great model. It gives you upper glove box, lower glove box. Bighorn's probably the most common model, I'd say. But yeah, beautiful looking vehicle. Let's check out the back. So we still have our in-floor storage. We've got plenty of room for our whole crew. These seats fold up. We do have some under storage here. So this, you got a little bit of under storage here. This actually folds out to a table. So when you see these go up like this, and you can lay things flat, and then the same thing for the other side as well. And guys, you know, that's really it. This is a really sweet looking truck. You know, if you need a 2500, I think Ram Build's one of the best ones on the market. Big towing capability, even with the gas. Obviously diesel will get us even more than that, but the appearance of this truck is, you know, is beautiful. It's a gorgeous looking truck. And you know, that's all I got, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel because I'll be putting out more content just about every day. Thanks, guys.